Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your JBL Live Free NC Plus earbuds. If you are having a problem where they are not connecting to Bluetooth, or maybe sound is only coming out of one ear, the left ear or the right ear, or there are volume issues, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. So the first thing to do before you actually reset the earphones is just to go into your phone or whatever device and just disconnect it from the Bluetooth, and then have the device actually forget the earbuds. And once you do that, you can just make sure your earbuds are in the case, and then on the back of the case there is a small round button that you're just going to press and hold for 5 seconds to do the reset. And you will know that the reset has happened. You can press and hold it and just keep an eye on this little indicator light here. And once that light blinks red a couple times, that will mean that it has received the reset, and it will just take a couple extra seconds to complete the reset, at which point you can repair these earbuds with whatever device you want. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.